Today, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic film border around your photos and include a free PSD so you can simply drag and drop your own photos into it instantly. So we're starting off here in Photoshop. We have our background image that already has the film border, and check this out. In the free download, just click on the link right down below. You're going to get all this plus the PSD. You're going to get a film border 1, 2, and 3. So you have 3 different film borders that you can choose from. In this case, we're just going to use the film border 01. What I'm going to do is take my image. I have this image of a dog with a hat on. We're literally just going to click and drag this right here into Photoshop, just like that, and hit enter. Okay, now that this is in here, what we're going to do quickly is just turn this layer off real quick. I just need to make a selection around the actual border of this image. So what we're going to do, let's go to our lasso tool right over here. We're going to use the Polygonal Lasso tool. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now, it's worth zooming into your image, and you just kind of want to just click on the corner, and we're going to start by going slightly to the outside of the edge. There we go. And you're going to see, I'm just going to click a few different times around my image, because you'll notice that like it's not a perfect square or rectangle for the film border. It actually is like, it has some variation. So that's why I'm kind of creating this variation here with my selection. It's just going to look a lot more natural. Now, if you guys download the PSD, you won't need to do this because it's already going to be pre-made for you. But I just want to show you how to do this just in case you have your own film border. And honestly, you can go use like free stock image websites. Just type in film border. You're going to find so many, right? So basically, I just made a selection that went around the whole thing. So now with my selection active, I'm just going to turn this dog with hat. We're just going to turn that back on. And literally all I have to do here in my contextual taskbar, I just need to make this as a layer mask. So check this out. What we're going to do is click here on our layer mask icon. Go ahead and click there, and you're going to see instantly that's like all there is to it. But don't go away yet, because I have 2 more amazing things that are going to help this image look better. You're going to love this. Okay, the first thing here is you can see I have my dog with a hat, okay? And you can see I have a chain link with my layer mask. That means if I click on one of these layers, I'm going to use my move tool right over here. It's going to actually move the dog and the layer mask at the same time. And I actually don't want that, right? I want to be able to move the dog, but I want the layer mask to stay the same. And that's going to keep it inside of the film border. So here's a great tip. What we're going to do is right over here where we have the dog and then we have the layer mask, I'm going to click here on this chain link. It's going to unlink the layer from the layer mask. And then check this out. The individual layer, now I can hit Control or Command T for transform. I can scale this up or down if I want. I can move it around and it's going to stay inside of that layer mask. So now, no matter what I do, you're going to see I can move this around and it's going to keep that film border intact. How cool is that? Okay, we got one more thing that's going to add some value to this and make it actually look like some film, and that's going to be adding some texture. Okay, so for our texture, literally, we're just going to go back to Finder, and I have this texture.jpg. I'm going to click and drag this here into Photoshop. Boop. We're going to go ahead and rotate it. Just click right over here, rotate this around. You can hold Shift if you want to. It's just going to keep it by going 15-degree intervals. And then we're going to scale this up. Hold Alt or Option and scale this up a little bit larger and hit Enter. Okay, now what we're going to do, you can see it's just like a dark texture with these light scratches on here. We're going to take the texture. I'm going to change my blend mode from normal. We're going to go down to where it says screen. Okay. And you're going to see it's just going to add that texture right over top of everything. And if this is too much, like it's kind of a little bit much right now, just take your opacity slider and just drag this down a little bit. And there we get something that looks a little bit more natural. So we have this like scratches texture over top of the dog. It's also over top of the film layer, and you can see it kind of just like brings everything together and really helps it make it look like film. Now you can turn this off or on at any time, and you can change your photos around here as well. So what I'm going to do is prepare a PSD that's going to make it super simple. That's going to have instructions. Literally just click and drag your own photos right into it, and you'll be able to make any photo with a film border. Thank you so much for watching. Click on the link down below to download these sample images, the texture, as well as the PSD. And if you want to get more free tutorials, simply click on subscribe. Thanks so much, and I'll Phlearn you later. Bye, everyone.